So now we completed the Get Your Samples step, and we're moving on to the Pay for Your Survey step. So let me go there now and show you what happens. This is the Pay for Your Survey page. Again, you'll see the paragraph that describes what you're supposed to do here. Now, one thing that will happen when you're setting up your first subscription is this will be blank. In other words, you will not have selected an option. I'm working from an account that I've set up, and so I have subscribed to an unlimited plan, and it will show here, so there will be no costs here. Basically, this table is going to add up the costs for your study. So there's no costs here. I will now review the subscription plans. There's the single study plan for $3,900, up to 4, up to 9, and unlimited in a year's time for $9,900, $14,900, and $19,900 with those parameters as you see here. Notice that once you have a plan enforced or already selected, it tells you what that plan is, how many you have left if you have a yearly plan, and what your effective date will be. If this is your first study, you'll have nothing here, and there will be options to select the plan. So just to let you know, that's what will then appear over here. The plan you selected will appear here, the amount of money for that subscription plan. Sample here is not applicable because we chose that you will provide your own sample and you'll work with paying for that sample directly to your sample provider. You won't go through us. If you had chosen us to provide your sample, we would then input the cost for the sample here, and that would be in the list of costs for this study. Customizations. Here's another thing that sometimes clients will need to customize certain parts of a study. For instance, they may want different outcomes questions, or they may have special customization to the classification questions. And if that's the case, if you want customizations, you basically click here and an email will be sent to me, and then we'll engage in some discussions about what your customizations are. We'll make a record of that, and then I will go and apply the costs here, and it will go into the list of costs. If you have a discount, you'll enter your discount code here, which will be applied in the invoice. You won't see it actually added in here in the form, but it will be applied when you receive an invoice. So with that, I think what I will do is I will go ahead for the next video and I will add some costs here, some customization costs, so you can see that added up, and then we can go through the submit the cost button in the next video. So stay tuned with that. You'll see that in the next video that appears on this page.